What if I told you this church has been standing here for more than 600 years, while kingdoms disappeared, wars came and went, and generations lived and died? Today, I'm taking you inside one of Germany's most beautiful historical churches, Münster, Schönen, Unserer Leben, Frau in Ingolstadt. The moment I arrived, I couldn't stop looking at it. The two tall towers dominate the skyline, and every stone seems to hold centuries of memories. But this isn't just another old building. Constructions began in the 15th century, and for over 600 years, this church has witnessed history unfold. Imagine the people who walked through these same doors hundreds of years ago: merchants, soldiers, families, students, travelers, and people searching for hope. As you step inside, everything changes. The noise of the city disappears. The light passing through the stained glass windows creates an atmosphere that's difficult to describe. Every pillar, every art, every piece of artwork reflects the incredible craftsmanship of the people who built this place long before modern machine existed. Take a closer look at the details. The beautiful Gothic architecture reaches upward, almost as if inviting every visitor to look beyond everyday life. It's amazing to think that artisans spent years carving these details by hand. This church has survived centuries of change. It has stood through political upheavals, changing generations and the rapid transformation of the world around it. Yet it continues to welcome visitors from every corner of the world. Whether you are religious or not, places like this remind us that history isn't only found in books, it lives in buildings like these. Standing here made me realize something. We often rush through life chasing tomorrow, while places like this quietly remind us to slow down, appreciate beauty, and remember how small we are in the timeline of history. That's what travel means to me. It is not just about visiting famous places, it is about discovering stories hidden inside old walls and carrying those stories with us. If you ever visit Ingolstadt, don't miss this incredible church. Walk inside, look around carefully, and spend a few quiet minutes simply taking it all in. You might leave with more than just beautiful photos. You might leave with a different perspective. What impressed you the most about this church? Let me know in the comment section and follow for more hidden places, history, and unforgettable journeys across Germany. See you in the next adventure.